Thank you for visiting another one of Bay Automotive Cars.com's online listings. Please continue for more information on this 2012 Chevrolet Malibu LTZ W2LZ with 28,375 miles. Although this 2012 Malibu LTZ W2LZ is technically a pre-owned vehicle, the clean and spotless interior could fool even the toughest critic. This Malibu LTZ W2LZ is covered under the Chevrolet Reliable and Trusted Factory Warranty. So, if you're in the market for an incredible vehicle, which provides the manufacturer-backed assurance that everyone deserves, then this is the vehicle for you. There is no evidence of prior damage or paintwork on this Malibu LTZ W2LZ. This Chevrolet includes Cocoa Cashmere, leather-appointed seating, gold mist metallic wheels, 18 engine, 3.6 LDOHC 5.6 variable valve timing SFI,